Hey crafty crew, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more crafty videos. Okay, so today I'm going to show you an easy way to cut an avocado. So when you're picking an avocado, you want to find one, if it's too hard, that means it's not ripe enough, and if it's too squishy, then it's probably overripe. And this one is kind of in the middle. It's just very slightly squishy and it's not super hard. So the first thing you want to do is pull off this little thing and the tag, if there is a tag, or a sticker, I mean. Okay, so the first thing you want to do after you pull off the little piece and take off your sticker is you want to take your knife and you're going to cut in the middle of the avocado, and you cut till you hit the pit, and you're just going to move it around with the knife on the pit until you cut all the way around. Okay, now that you have cut all the way around, you're going to remove your knife and then you can twist it open. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to take your knife and you're going to put it in the pit to where it's on here. And you're going to hold the knife and twist the avocado to get the pit out. And it's kind of hard to remove that. I'm just going to use a towel so I don't cut myself. And any kids watching, do not do this without your parents. So the easiest way that I have found to cut an avocado and to remove it is you keep your half inside the peel and you're going to slice in a crisscross motion all the way to the other side of the peel, but not all the way through. And if you can tell, I switched to a serrated knife. I forgot to mention that. You're going to cut all the way one way, and then you're going to cut in the opposite direction. Okay, and now you can see it's in a crisscross cut, and you can go ahead and you can either scoop it out with a spoon, or what I usually do is I just kind of squeeze it and squeeze out the chunks. Okay, and I got just a little bit left in here that I'm just going to scoop out, and it comes out in the slices. Kind of separate it a little bit. This isn't the prettiest way, but it is the easiest way if you're just topping it on a salad or something for your food at home, or if you're going to use guacamole, it's just easier to cut it that way. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you like these type of videos, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.